Yes, family, right back. Change your camera person. My son is behind the camera. Shoot them up, son. Shoot them up. This here is halfway through the cooking process of the coconut milk. Shoot them up, my son. Shoot them up. On top here, this is oil. This is coming to oil. This is oil on top. This is just halfway I've lowered the heat for it to stop boiling. See it here? This is oil, y'all. I hope you're shooting them up good, son. Now we're going to put it up back to medium. Let it continue boiling. We're carrying it right down till you see the oil on top and the bottom is left. I hope you're all in on this one. Okay. Now we have our salt mackerel. This is the first time I'm scalding it off. And look at it. Now I've lowered the flame. I'm going to change this water again just to scald it off. Scalding is, put the camera up on me. Scalding is, we're trying to get out some of the salt, or we are desalting. Not, we can't get out all of the salt. This thing is pickled. The pickling process has tenderized it already. You don't need to be cooking it for half an hour to get out the salt. The salt is going back in there when you cook it so long. So we're going to throw off this water, put a little more, and as soon as it starts boiling, we throw it off, put it in some cold water, we're going to pick it up. Now, this is what we're going to use to flavor up the rundown. We want a lot of onions. We want 2 tomatoes. Normally, when we that country has little for a long time, we would have used tomatoes. Or you guys where you are call it cherry tomato, we call it tomatoes. A lot of them. And we need good old scotch bonnet pepper, right, not green. And we need piece of scallion, Saint Andrew, this one is. And we need some fresh thyme. We're gonna need also a little black pepper. So look here now, right back in here. Right back in here. This is the boiling of it. This is the boiling. So you're gonna it won't come back up again, you know. So you keep it on the medium heat until it come right down. And when you see us back again, we are going ready for salt out the indoors salt mackerel rundown here. And remember, you know, say me Gully bean around the corner here. Okay, y'all? Yes, y'all, come now. Right now, we are right here now. 25 times round the track marathon. Execution time, baby. Execution time, baby. This is rundown, y'all. Oil on top, custard in the bottom. Execution time. Winning pose. And this one is gonna be a record. Flame down. Flame down, y'all. Flame right down. Now we're gonna put in we're putting with scallion. I could put in with scallion first. Put in with scallion because we want the flavor out of the scallion. Yeah? We're gonna put in our onions. Let's put in because we want a lot of them onions. Yeah. And we're going to put in the tomato. Yep. We're gonna put in our green thyme. This is it, y'all. This is it. This is it. Flame up back to medium. We don't want it drying down. Everybody have got gel. Yeah. We're gonna do now a peg of garlic. We're gonna grate our garlic right in. We're gonna put in some salt mackerel. Maybe not all. I want a piece of my salt mackerel head with the eye. I like the mackerel eye. If you like it, please comment. And I want a piece of the bone in this rundown here. Okay, y'all? Right now, put it in all. Gonna put it as we have it. Huh? We need right here and now our scotch bonnet. Put as much as you like. It need a lot to taste good. But don't. If you're feeding small children, you gotta know what you're doing, baby. We Gully bean right in. We want a little black pepper. Yup. Kitchen full up. And right now, you know I told you how to do this. From the bottom and over, baby. This is rundown. From the bottom and over. Flame down to low. We're gonna leave it to simmer. When you see us next, we'll be plating. Okay, y'all? Yes, family. Yes, this is the finished product, y'all. This is the finished product. Look at the coconut oil. This is natural, baby. Look at it, y'all. Flame off. This is it. This is it. We're gonna plate. So we're gonna need to remove our thyme. Need the Scotch bonnet pepper inside. You see the gully bean? Look at it, y'all. This is it. This is the indoors, old time, long time, authentic Jamaican rundown. I told you all about the sort of coconut you use. I told you. This is it. This is it on the inside. Look at the coconut oil. I don't know anything about calories right here. This is a natural coconut oil, baby. Now, if you have liked, oh, let me present. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are. This is the traditional, authentic, old-time, long-time Jamaican rundown. It was done indoors. The only thing, it wasn't done on the outside. This one wasn't done on the outside. You have seen it from scratch. Please enjoy. Now, if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. When you do subscribe, remember to hit that bell up there. Leave your comments below. And when you're leaving your comments, please be respectful. Please be just as from one human being to another human. Okay, y'all? We would so welcome that. Remember now, I'm gonna leave in the description the version that we did on the outside for y'all. You see everything in depth. Okay? This is served with dumplings. A lot of dumpling videos are on the channel. Yellow yam, green bananas, and the works. It's not served with rice. I don't think so. No, we don't in Jamaica. So once more, from my kitchen to yours, please enjoy. Debbie from Dung, bless, no stress.